Are we live? We should be live. Not getting no help from. Boom, we are live and we're live on the right account. Buzzing. Buzzing. So we're in the game. Yesterday's stream on the main channel. Boy, was the analysis good. I've absolutely fucking smashed it, to be honest. Most of it looked like this. I'm sure some of this is new. But we caught the sells from here yesterday. Is that right? Yeah, yesterday. Monday afternoon. Nice sells. Took profit. Bottom of these wicks, really. Should have held. Really should have held. We had the zone marked up. We knew it was coming down here, and we were looking for buys from this level. Could have got a 1 to 5. Got a 1 to 4. Can't really complain. But yeah, that was trade 1. It's come down to the first zone we marked out. If you look on the... must have been 1 hour I found this level. Yeah, if you look on the 1 hour, just a lot of wicks, body closes. Really, I could have done it as a horizontal line. That yellow one there. And you see how well that line's been respected, how often this line's been respected. Gold loves its key levels, especially at the minute. But yeah, right, how it was. I'm not trying to change shit. We had this level marked, got these 2 wicks. There was also a fib lining up somewhere. 70 fib, but it wasn't that one. Maybe it was. Yeah, so there's also a 70 fib. On the 15 min? Was it here? Nope, yeah. Must have been the 70. There's a 70 fib within the zone. I'll be honest, I had it mainly because of these 2 wicks and just the level. And after being in the sales, being in some nice profit, got into these buys. Stop loss was below these wicks, or below this one here. It was like the lowest level I thought it could go from in this area on the 1 hour. Pretty good stop loss placement, really. And smashed full TP back up at this level, and it dropped. But yeah, gold recently has been absolutely loving these just body close levels. Simple trading, trader's pathway. Get on him, hit him up. It's a boring ass way of trading, but with this volatility, it's actually been quite good. Yeah, and then one of today's trades in the group. So obviously I sent my bias out, which was this arrow. I'm expecting price to come down. It was coming down. It was bearish all day. We caught some nice sells, but then there wasn't much else. I was targeting down here, and price obviously reversed. I got out for a nice 200 pips from this area. If we drop down to the 15 min, you had these wicks, all these wicks in this one area, plus the 88 fib. All of these sent into the group, man. This one, be honest, I was targeting again down here, but as far as it went, could have got a 1 to 5. Really, why are we targeting more than these wicks? 1 to 3.5. So today, if we take a look at the group now, just so you can get an example of what it's like. This is what I sent in. I sent in a silver zone. I'll show you that again on the charts in a minute. Sent in this gold chart, buys down here, levels up here. This was yesterday. The first purple zone up here got hit. Entered a small sell. Went break even. Silver was pushing up. I had a nice bit of strength last night. So it was putting me off, yesterday afternoon. So it was putting me off the trade a little bit. So I went to break even quite early, but wasn't a problem. Trade started pushing down, running nice. Took some profit, 1 to 3.5. and then it absolutely smashed through the full TP and further, so could have targeted probably this level here on the 4360 area. I'm actually the best fucking gold analyst in the world. Am I the best gold trader? Probably not. I'm too emotional. I fucking love a full port. I go balls deep way too often. But I do love a fucking how good I am at the analysis. And I literally do it all the time. So right, have you seen it? I've called it from this zone down. Plotted this as my first buy area, you can see with the 2 wicks. It's come down, boom, done that again. Targeting this top body close. This is where price pretty much got to. I'd already closed out by here nicely. I think this was part of the trade that I smashed on the flip account. Which is pretty much done. I started a £1,000 flip account. I was like, oh, I'll flip it to 10k, thinking it was going to take me a while. Couldn't start posting about it loads, grow some followers. I've done it. I got 9 people to join the fucking Telegram. What a pain. What a pain. What are you messaging me now, you fucking Italian prick? Send a link, bruv. Post it in your Discord. I don't know how to do that. I do know how to do that. Oh, you're getting a proper inside exclusive into the chat. I need to make sure there's no fucking... Gonna move this so you don't see anything that you shouldn't see. Because there will be some stuff... Oh. Yes, that was close. Yeah, the little chat for me and the 2 lads I'd do the group with. It's got some rude names in it. But, yeah. What we were... I was just sorting the Telegram out, actually. Not the Telegram, sorry. The Discord. Oh, I need to change accounts. Earl of the Exchange. It's the account owner. I'm doing a fucking webinar, people, as well. 29th of March. If you don't know, get to know. At TraderAE on Instagram. Message me. Thanks for the Asia Open signals from Pedro. I don't know what that is. Where's this fucking general chat? Why can't I move it? Sorry guys, I shouldn't be doing Discord maintenance for this right now, really, should I? That was gross. Kind of hope nobody comes to watch, but I did it. Send it into the Discord. I wasn't telling anyone. I was going to put it on my Instagram too. Oh, mental. Mental. People are joining. Trades in Asia Open now. Yeah, man, I've been pissed off as well because I've been fucking staying up late to do this stream to get it around Asia Open. And the clocks have fucking changed in America. So I don't need to be waiting until 11 PM. I can be doing it at 10 PM until after this weekend. So, yeah, that'll be sound. But fucking frustrating to start with. I will admit that. It's annoying. But yeah, even get back to it, yeah, so what I was showing you. Basically, this is all the analysis I've fucking done. This hits 350 pips, so yeah, there's all the trades winning. So, yeah, that buy, worked to sell, worked to treat, buy, Work to treat, that's like 1 to 4, 1 to 5 hour. As this buy was working a treat, we were waiting for sells. 70 fib could work. When did I do that? Yeah, and then simple as that, 70 fib did fucking work. A little bit, but then we waited. Yeah, so there's a 1 hour level. What the fuck are we looking at here? That's silver, that's why I'm confused. I'm looking at a silver chart, I'm thinking it's gold. Right, yeah. Ignore that then. So gold caught the sells, caught the buys, had this red zone that we were waiting for, but price reacted from the 1 hour level, so we never actually caught that sell. A little bit frustrating. From this silver chart that I was just crying about, this yellow 1 hour level here, based on this body close, it's been touched by a few wicks, so I was like, yeah, around 68. We were looking for the sells, but I don't think it got as high as that. And then boom, this is price coming down and reacting off the level. Took profit at this lower high here, but price absolutely rallied up to the highs. Should have fucking held the bastard. Did I send a picture? No, I just said should have held it. It did a 1 to 7, so there was another. That was 1 to 3, something like that. So we done like a 12 hour today. So even if you're risking fucking small amounts of money, you're making a decent amount. Even if you're risking a tenner a trade, like 120 quid in a day, easy work. You're passing any prop firm challenge with all the trades I've sent in today, but no losers. Yeah, it's not as tight a stop loss. Yeah, some of the trades are taking a bit longer, but the moves are insane on gold at the minute. And you just need to give your trades fucking time to breathe. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, I was doing it 1 to 3, and then we sent this trade, yeah, and we were like, right, cool. The 78 could work. I was interested in this one, but like 78 could work. Had the body closes here. It's a nice little level. All these wicks down here. Good entry. Would normally take it, but I was like, as we're up, I may as well try and wait for the worst case scenario. And in a ranging market, which, as you can see from here, it is ranging, it's a big one. In a ranging market, at 88 fib, reigns fucking supreme. So I had this order. I actually got filled at 4431.5. There's a bit of slippage up there, which was nice. And then, yeah, live running 200. I actually closed it at this point because I was fucking printing the money. The flip had done well. The live account had done well. Talking a few months' wages, and literally, I'm a big fat idiot. So, and I could teach you how to do it. So, fuck your jobs. Fuck being poor, fuck being molested. And yeah, it was on its way to full TP, targeting down here. I closed in this level. As you see, all these wicks here coming together. I started to close in. And I'm glad I did, because it fucking rocketed. Eventually. So yeah. And then Max, the guy, sent his analysis in today. I had 4351. That buy is absolutely flown now. Was running 650 pips at half 2. So you see, if you get back on the chart. Yeah, so there we go. 4351 he sent. So we've caught counter trades. So you got two insane analysts just fucking doing a bit here and there. That is now done. So like you've done 12 hours just with my analysis and my trades. With what Max has sent, if you've held that, there's another 11 hours. So that's 22, 23 hours in one fucking day in a group. Ain't no bald-headed bastards trying to charge you 1,800 fucking pounds to learn this shit. It's not happening. Crashing out about me starting my group. Spinning head kicker. But right, yeah. So as you can see, we are the fucking masters at this market. I'm killing it. Nobody analyzes gold better than me. Maybe Max. He's alright. His bias in terms of direction and shit is better, but I just think my pinpoint accuracy, multiple trades a day. There's not many fucking people doing it like me from a shitty little laptop in a corner room printing. But yeah, I need to get back on the prop firms, fucking dominate, and I need to get more content out there. Fucking keep doing these lives, all that sort of a bushwhack. But yeah, it's tough. It's tough in this game. But that's gold. My outlook for gold. Probably should we delete it and go again? Yeah, fuck it. Right, delete it and go again. So basically, This is how I start analysing gold. I start on the daily. Just look what's going on. Obviously, we're in a clear fucking downtrend right now. And then I plot my nice daily levels. Obviously, yellow is 1 hour. Dailies are blue. Nice little D in the corner just to remind me what time frame it is, what sort of strength for the level it is. All that splinackle. Interesting. Just trying to see where this one's gone off. It's not there, is it? Yeah, it's this one. Multiple closes, wicks. All these can now be ignored because they've been taken out by this price action. That level, I like the look of. We're not coming much lower, are we? I'll plot down to there just in case we get a flash crash. But I don't reckon. Yeah, I've kind of again changed my analysis how I do it, like in the last few days. So I used to do this sort of levels trading all the time, but it's really been working. What up, chat? I've only just read the messages. Whoever Elliot is, #1 fan, big up. And then Trader Backtest saying gang, don't be chatting that crime on my streams. Well, big up for being here. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the free knowledge, man. If any of you two want to come to the webinar, fucking hit me up as well. Obviously, Pedro, you're definitely coming, actually. Fucking hit me up, I'll hit you. So yeah, we start these daily levels. Obviously now, that's sort of it. Recent price action is not much else. Drop down to 4 hour. A little bit more. Mark some of these levels. God, I hope that fucking makes you laugh, G. Every time it's just an awkward silence, so I need to figure out how to get music on this thing. Every time it's like a slightly awkward silence. That Tapnell song, the little Mandy beat, just gets right in my head. 5 watching. Crazy shit. Right, yeah, so we've plotted these levels now, daily 4 hour. Drop down to the 1 hour now and see if any of these can be refined a little bit nicer. So this level I'm very interested in, but again, fucking miles away in it. So on the 1 hour, 15 min. Yeah, so this one can be refined down to here on the 15 min. I like that a lot. That one can stay where it is for a daily. That one, yeah. Prefer it there. Right, but go back to the hourly. The fibs are coming as well. I've not just completely changed. No, that's 1 hour. But just look how these levels have worked. This is a nice little 1 hour levels come up to here, dropped. We're at this level again. So I'll be interested to see if we get a bit of a pullback. But I don't know. I think Asian session today is just going to fucking fly. And we're going to go up to... Where's this? Yeah, maybe here, this 1 hour level. Which would be pretty mental. I don't normally pay much attention when it's retesting like from the underneath. So obviously you should like a more recent price action, and where the most information is would be on this one. But I've got the 4 hour there anyway, so just plot that 1 hour quickly. And now the fucking money shot, throwing some fibs in the game. God, that's your proper typical bum fluff early trader. Little Josh doing a triangle. The Yoli triangle. Oh, it's doing a triangle in continuation. Like, it is actually a pattern. I can't sit and say it's not a pattern. Ready to gamble. I love that. Oh, he's now number 1. What, you ready to gamble anyway? What are you gambling? Should we actually do some? Are you just going to trade Asia session now and get your funded passed and get fucking go mental? I'd take a risky short now, but you probably lose all your money. That's all I've got to say about that. So, yeah, once we finish this, I'll give you areas. Alright, where are you going to pass? So now we're going to start drawing the fibs. G, this is for you, man. Get learning. So, right. Put on your fibs, you go from a high to a low. And he's like, oh, which one do you choose? So, how you validate a fib, G, right? So, gold full. So, you got all these levels, and I use all these to see whether the fib is worth touching. And I'll be honest, this one, it's not that worth touching. You get an alright reaction off the 61. Every other reaction is pretty shit. Alright, retests here. So I wouldn't have loads of confidence in that fib anyway. Does it work for a nice little pullback? Yes. If you start it from there, you still would have just missed the trade though. Would have been frustrating. And look at the timing on that. Fucking gay. Nobody wants to be trading around them times. So that fib, we don't want to be starting from there. It's pretty much invalidated at all. Hasn't shown it much respect. This one now, testing from here to the lows. Now, this is a better one. It's come up. Reaction, alright, it's pushed through 38 a little bit, but still a good reaction. Showed some sort of, go down a time frame, some sort of reaction from the 23. 11 had a nice clean reaction. 50 got smoked, 61 smoked, 70 pinned, 78 pinned. So, this fib is very valid for me. And then on the 1 hour, again, as I said, I was going to ignore this level. I'm now deleting that because this body close perfectly lines up. Order block, whatever you want to call it, order cock. Whatever name suits your fancy. Yes, to the 1 hour level. So 1 hour level and 88 fib lining up. Beauty. Drop down to a lower time frame for stop loss placement. So what entry is that? 5, 3. And that is 6, 8. Yeah, so we could do behind there. So just stick that. Mark it as a key level. Yeah, so that is the first sort of level I'll be looking to be shorting from the 88 fib is that 1 hour level there, and then I've stops above, behind, whatever you want to say, the top of the box. If you want to be safer, wait for the level. If you got huge gonads like myself, go a bit earlier. She stops behind there, just seem a bit wide, don't they? Like, if it's going to work this area, I would rather go slightly tighter stop. Targeting, maybe here. Mark this. Yeah, I'll mark this level on. Bit of interest as well. That can be a grey one too, because it's 15 min. That one needs its 1 hour tag. But yeah, I was thinking more stops, sort of $10 stop around the 60 area. I'd want a TP on this line really, but 1 to 2.7 sweet really, isn't it? It's not too bad. Fibs lined up, that was all nice. I don't need that still on. But yeah, that's first sell area. Make this red. It's a reasonably big zone of interest for me. I've just noticed. Is it going to retest it twice? Who knows? No, I haven't just noticed anything. Ignore me. See, a 70 fib also lines up. I can't remember where I started. I started it from there, did I? Yeah, so you got the 88 that lines up with this zone. You've also got a 78 just above it. So we'll keep that in mind. Which fib has worked cleaner? Not that one. Yeah, that one's pinged the best. So this is the fib we're using. Cool. But for next areas, we're starting from the top. This 78 at 497. It's a big Seb double level, that, isn't it? 49. 4595, 4597. It's a big baguette short. Big baguette short. Yeah, so this level again I do like, you know. So you know these wicks in here. When you can get a level like that, it's a lot going on in a short space, and it's like still 1 hour time frame, so it's a relatively strong level. You can see it's touched in the zone, and then it's gone away from it, and it's not touched into this level since. We've got this 1 hour level below it. So I would be more inclined to wait for the 88 fib on that, so I'm going to delete that. I don't want the confusion. So we got 88 fib and level there, and this 78. If we continue to push through, because we have had my issue. This is this fib. It hasn't been as good. It's not reacted as well. All right. 23 was okay, 38 missed, but it did retest. 61 pinned. So I'll be interested. I would if we breach the 70 here, well, it's already a trade level for us, so I might have to widen this zone a little bit. If we breach this 70 and this trade fails, then I'd be very happy to take the 78. If this trade works and we get a bit of profit on that, I would probably just wait and ignore this one. It is a strong level though. Like when you have two wicks like that, like perfectly line up, and there's multiple really on this line, you can have quite a bit of confidence in the level. Like, alright, it's not worked when it's come down broken, it's retested. So I'd like to see what price does when it gets to here. If this fails and breaks, okay, stop loss can go, then I would look at some shorts here if we push right through. It would have had to do an additional $40-$50. Took longs. The real Harachi. Oh, he's right, it's Bin Laden. What's going down, man? Nice little pick. Took longs, was on 1 minute. Why are you trading a 1 minute, man? Like, it does work. Like, you can get it to work. I can't shit on you make do. But at the end of the day, it's just like, what's the point? When it starts to go wrong, like those sort of time frames just teach you to overtrade. I think they just teach you. You have to be really disciplined and have your time set. And for me, like, I'm just a crackhead when it comes to this game, so I can't be doing that. But 1 minute longs, wherever we entered from, when it broke above here. Yeah, it must have been. Little indication. Addiction. You know it, man. It is an addiction. But why not? Why not be addicted to it? It's semi-positive. Yeah. Right, now this level's smashed as well. I can sort of bin that off, can't I? Try and keep the charts nice and clean. Get these gay fucking triangles off as well. They're confusing me. And then this can now be made just the reversal levels. Yeah, so normal strategy with gold, like before it used to be parabolic. Yeah, just 78, 88 fibs, nice and easy. See if we can find a nice little example here. I'd spend most of my time on the 5 minute. I bet it's still pretty accurate though, isn't it? But I can see one there, 88. Right between the two. But yeah, the strategy basically, giving this away for free. There's certain people that would charge you crazy amounts a day for this. Crazy amounts. But yeah, gold reversal zone. That's what we call this. That's how we do it. And it just, the accuracy of it, actually, how many we can plot from starting from here. It's gone down. I can fuck off. I don't like it lasting forever. Right, so we had that one. Sweet. Delete that. Right, now go this way. Oh, what a surprise. The gold reversal zone again. Done the job. And you're like, surely it's not going to do it again. It's not. This is not the cheat code. What have I been missing all my life? But it's just like the days when it starts to shoot in any direction and like starts to just, the tech just goes out the window and it's pure fundamental madness. That's when you need to just fucking step back and stop it and just be like, nah, I can't be doing this. I don't need to trade like this. You can, yeah, I'm going to stop labeling it anyway. But yeah, right, so that's what, 3 trades in a row. Absolutely smashed. High risk to reward. And then boom, you've had your first loss. But, right, you would have gone break even. So, this, I would have waited for this level here. This level's a little bit messier. Yes, it's got the body closed, but it's a 5 min, I don't really care. And this, I would consider this area here. Like this bit. A ranging market. And in a ranging market, we prefer the 88 fib. So could you have still got some profit from this? Should we see? Bring on the 88. Stop nicely below the low. Take profit 1 to 3. But you go break even once it gets to the 78. So with a touch of 78, break even, I think, or did it just go straight to? Fuck that! I've messed it right up. But yeah, so one loss or 1 break even at this point. So it's not end it world. Is this one? Yeah, so you got the retest of this plus 78. 78's pinned, which that would have been traded a month. Pinned off the 78. You can go stops below 88 or stops below that, and then just boom, 1 to 3. If you'd have gone just targeted the highs, yeah, 1 to 3.4. But I would have gone stops below the 88 because I'm not a big fat pussy. And it's still a $20, $28 stop loss, and you're mad. Do you know what? I probably would have got even tighter because I've got ginormous balls. So, yeah, $15. I need to try and limit my stop losses. I think I'd rather take some losses and just try and get better on the mental side because I'm trying to swing some shit. But still try and just do like a $15, $20 stop loss max. Some of them I'm doing like 30, 40, and it's just like, when people are trading smaller accounts and when you're trying to fucking educate and teach people, it's not. It's not the best thing to be doing. I appreciate everyone who's come to have a watch. Yesterday I fucking done it with nobody watching. And I still dropped mad value. You could have made a good bit of bit of dough. Don't know what that was. But yeah, anyway, carry on with this just to show you how fucking lethal these reversal zones are for gold. So boop, draw that one because it worked. See you later. And now we're like, right. It used to be, right, $17 was the minimum move, but now the market moves wild, so I would say it's fucking 50, 60, maybe even 70. This one, again, what? No way. The gold reversal zone. Smoking again. I've literally just dropped so much sauce on you. Like, it's not everything. It's not the only thing I use now, and it kind of promotes over trading. But it is everything that some shiny pebble would try and sell you for a lot of money and tell you can do something for free and then probably not do it anymore. What? Who said that? Can't have been me. But again, yeah, it's FVG. Look at me clicking the wrong button. But as you can see, right, these 78s and 88s, depending on... I've got a document somewhere. Boom, another 88. I'm bored of this drill now, though. I'm bored of it. But you can see, like, this is... When did that start? Literally Monday. Monday evening. And we've gone to Tuesday morning. So if you just stayed up all night, Asian session... Got on the packet, got on the snus. Where is my snus? That's a great question. Right, I might have to run downstairs and get some snus. Because I can't just smoke the bong of the Jovius while I'm on stream. But yeah, I'm glad you can all see the magic that is that. So if you can be the disciplined and like proper set your stop losses, if slippage wasn't such a gay and you just high risk to reward, you could ping it up and down. And like, this is what I'm doing when I'm doing flip accounts. And some days if you can get like 5, 6 in a row, you can go from like 400-500 quid to fucking like 20 grand. It's absolutely mental. There's a link to join my Discord. And no, it isn't free because I'm so fucking good. Yeah, there's a WAP link. There's a link to join some of my brokers. I would appreciate people doing that so I can get paid. Yeah. We'll be opening premium, like 1-to-1 coaching, 3 months, guaranteed funding, and just actually being good at trading, or you'll get a chunk of your money back. A lot of 1-to-1 time with me. I'm building a prop firm guide as well. That'll be coming out soon. Get the Insta as well. But yeah, gold analysis on the smaller time frames, right? Yeah, I like it. We're coming up to this zone. Should we get fucking trade ready? Because I think it's coming. So we're right in the middle of the reversal zone. Obviously, this zone has worked previously, so this is higher risk. But because I made so much profit today, because I'm so fucking good, again, as I said, world's greatest gold analyst, I'd take it again. And really, it's gone $150 without retrace by this point. And target the 78. So all the people who saw the 78 get that chance to get out, break even, don't, and still lose, and then sit there sulking like, oh. That's usually what happens to me anyway. But right, trade 1 live on stream. You're done now. But right, while we're waiting for that anyway, let's look at some other pairs. Silver. Yeah, that was that silver buy, man. I absolutely smoked it. And I fucking closed here. here, 1 to 3. And I had levels marked. I had these shorts marked. And I could have targeted. I mean, it's going back to 100. Imagine I fucking held this buy all the way to 100. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, we are pumping, man. I'm just watching it on silver for the time being. I believe it is going to stop pumping, though. I'm not saying it's going to crash. I'm just saying, like, if we target 80, right, 34R, risking 1,000, that's 34k, year's wage, anywhere. Get on the beach, get Thailand, get the lady boys, get the massages. Living a fucking dream. But I didn't, and unfortunately I closed it. But 3R is good, it's not to turn your nose up at. The more I look at these charts, the fucking messier they feel, and like I've got a real issue with just redoing my analysis all the time. Just be like, oh, I don't know, I'll fucking delete it all and start again. And I can do it pretty much the same, but the first analysis normally is the best, and I'll redo something and refine the zone and be like, nah, my initial thought was right. But silver's absolutely blasted through this. I didn't take it. I would have if I was still in the buy, but I fucking took profit. Anyway, not to be fucking mad, but I feel like we've been in this consolidation here. Created a nice bit of structure. We've broken above, and I think we're gonna correct and then push onwards. So we're looking for buys in this silver game now. Well, I am anyway. I'd probably take a buy back in this 71 zone. And I've just sat here saying we're looking for buys. I am obviously about to just talk about a sell. So, am I a liar? Who knows, man? Who knows? Yeah, this level on silver I'm very interested in as well. Like, look at these. Look at all these wicks here building this level plus the 1 hour level. So we're gonna, and it lines up beautifully with my gold short. Oh, you fat slag! Look at that. Look at that miss. Look at it. Look at it. Fucking. Do you know what it is? It's all them things I've been posting on Instagram. All these screen recordings from X have been showing some bad sides of certain people, and it's crazy the views. Like, I'll post a video about one side, and it'll do mad 20k, 40k, 100k, 220k, some of them, and then like you post it the other way, talking bad about one or the other, and it's game over. I will take the signal. Well, I say you take the signal. We've missed, bro. We've missed it. Would I like it to come back and touch the 88? Well, yeah. But could we have gone from here? And that's what it's respected. Is this what's happening here? That can go away. Well, yeah, that seems to be what's happened. It's gone off this one. But as you can see, the analysis works. It'll be 1 to 1. It says 1 watching. It's literally just G now. Fucking mad. 43 minutes. Stay on here for a bit longer though. Talk through some game plan. But right, if this sell had tagged me in and not missed by fucking a gnat's whisker, I would be looking to take a little bit of profit off here, just because, you know, when you don't do that, you get that bit of price being gay and the market just being like, you were greedy today, lads, you were greedy. You need to stop. Yeah, I would like to target this area, really. 1 to 5. 1 to 5.5. And then I could see price again coming down lower. Like it broke lower. It's indicated it's broken lower. Alright, it's made lower high, higher low, higher high. Cool. Market structure is shifting to the bullish side. So any sales you want to be going break even quicker. And any buys try and ride out. Yeah. So that's that. If we get up to this 4600 level as well, I'd give that a ball. And I'd definitely this one up here. For 4657. Put your house, put your nan, put your dad, everyone on it. Everyone. Might come back and tag us in. This is a pretty cool level as well that I would like it to not ignore. So if it... Oh, how long we got left? 15 min. So I'd like it to react off the 88 or even that zone and then close below this level. If we close below here, it's likely we're coming down to at least here. And possibly even here. And maybe even down here. So I'm going to leave this as the big TP. Even though it's missed me. Gayness. Smashing the Instagram followers now, though. 6 more since I've been on this. 1,042. March the 7th is when I started proper, like, posting. I've done, like, 1 million views since then. I have... Yeah, and I've gone from... I was on 119, 118 posts, something like that. And then I fucking... was on like maybe 140 followers, and I was proper worried about overtaking posts followers. I was like, oh, I'll be really shit. Like, I'll look like a right dickhead if I do that. Did you take the signal? Did you get in the cell? I hope you did. You're not even fucking watching now, are you? Oh well. So yeah, obviously it's just missed if anyone got in. As I'm saying, yeah, I just want it to close below this purple zone here to confirm it's coming down. I'm few minutes not tagged us in. What can we do? If it closes below here on the 1 hour, yeah, as I said, I think it's going to target this second purple zone, possibly even lower. I'm just looking like I'm important and better at trading, leaving the big long TP on. If you're watching and you don't hate it, or you do hate it, subscribe anyway, because I'm going to be here every day, Asian session, trading live. Got some big shit coming. Gonna start getting prop links and that out there, have some giveaways. Yeah, I'll be careful going long now. Like, I know it's pumping, and it could very well carry on, but it's just done a lot. It's gone up a lot. So if it's gonna correct, it might correct hard. Can't believe that's missed. So what was entry? 47.76, and it's gone from 46.3. Yeah, it's just missed by $1.40. $1.40. Yeah, I reckon you should be done on some of your longs. If you made a bit of profit now, go to bed, man. Don't ruin it. And just be fucking sat with trades open trying to trade all night. Now I've missed this sell, which is already done a what? 1-to-1? Yeah. I'm not as interested in many of these trades anymore. Tomorrow, sell from this yellow, sell from this red. If we start stalling around here, so it's quite a pretty level. Quite a pretty level. It's quite slim. Go in with a tight stop if it works. You could be getting a 10R. And it's just adapting and just like trading with live capital in these markets is so much better as long as you just don't blow up. Like I'm thinking about getting something developed where it's like, obviously been working in prop firms and that, and I like the daily drawdown and the max drawdown concepts, and it's like imagine a tool that you just connect to your account, and you'd be like, right, I can set a max entry. I can set like a thing that stops me revenge trading, like it auto locks you out. I can you have to have a set time between entries and things like that. It can stop you doing certain things, and it just like you pick the settings. Like what is my big issue with my mindset and my the execution, like in the actual trading, when do my emotions take over? And you can automate things and just like blockers and bans that would stop you doing that. I think it'd be perfect for me. I don't really know how I would do that, so this is why I need to get big and famous in the space, make loads of dough. All the companies just be like, "Oh, Alex, you're fucking sick," and they want to do shit and work with me, and then I can, get major things developed and actually build a space for some stone cold traders. What Alex G has done with. Yeah, what Alex G has done buying that place, he's going to do that set and forget warehouse. I actually want it. I've been looking at like airfields and airstrips, big warehouse plots, just to try and do something. Because I'd love a legacy exchange like trading floor where everyone's just doing whatever, a little bang room in the corner, little footy game, everyone's just sat in making money, all with different brokers so we don't get banned. And just that'll be the base. Park all your fat cars there. Have a big field, maybe a motocross track outside. Little runway for one way for drag races. Right. See now as it's come back up, we'll go an entry from the 88. I know I didn't really move that fast enough. Nah, fuck it off. We'll leave it there. Stop loss covers it. But she is superbly bullish. Oh, look at that pin off the 88. Now we're dropping. We're coming down. We're coming down. We're coming down. Come on, Gil. Yeah. But yeah, as I said, I'm looking at like airstrips for sale and shit. Imagine just getting like a little private airstrip that they can't even use. I don't want a hangar, I want the whole fucking thing. And just renovate it and have it as like a mad drag strip slash. Maybe even have it like middle of nowhere as well. Oh yeah, look at that. Need a bit more field land, but 1.5 mil. So you've got to be Alex G to get it done. But we're live on the trades. I'm showing you all. Everyone needs to be watching. TP, I'm not going to be that adventurous. Come on now. Down to this zone. Nah. Down to this zone, full TP. This zone is TP1. Again, I still want the hourly to close below here. I'll be going risk-free. Should we not? Yeah. Yeah. I would say so. Now we can just watch this fucking drop. And I can keep looking at properties on the other side. Oh, you do it like this. Oh, you do it like that. Shorts. Well, we're in the shorts now, man. We're in the shorts. The limit will have been hit on the account. The prof will be falling. What are we doing now? Boom, you've had a 1-to-1 live on stream. Close now. See, nah, I'm not that gay. I don't care about the stream results. I'm actually trying to show you what's good. Get your shorts on. The sun is out, as they say. Shut up, Siri. I don't want to listen to you. Just literally suggesting streams here to me, right? Well, I'm just looking who's watching mine and whatever. Sartaj. What's up, big dog? Yeah, the entry bang on the 88 just missed. I was thinking about it. I'd literally seen me moving it before. But, oh shit, is my laptop going to die? Where's the fucking wire? There. Imagine that died midstream. Yeah. Yeah, so you had the 88, but on the bigger fib, where were we going from? So that was on like a 1 hour, was it? Yeah. If you started from up here, there was the 70 as well, just at the bottom of this red zone. So that's why we had it a little bit wider. So 47, 48 was the entry. I hope you all heard that. Proper little gruffer. Yeah, so there was that 70 fib also, and that's what it's gone from there. Which now gives me a nice, even if it doesn't do a huge move, gives me a nice bit of confidence for these levels. For the time being, we can delete these. Watch this sell. If it were to come down nice and far, looking at this one, yeah, so TP is also on the 23 here, which is cool. I like that a lot. Could even see it coming down to the 38. It's a nice little structure level. But it's nothing I trade off, so I'm not leaving that on. Yeah, there's just a lot. I could see it coming to retest. It even could, on your little baby pip standard, fucking do something like... Oh no, it's done it. Never mind. Yeah, your analysis has been well good, man. I've been seeing it a lot. It's good. Slowing down a lot. Less trades, higher quality. I like it. Oh, anyone who hasn't watched that Trades by Sai, he's got a new... Like, he made a 14-day course, which is one of the best things I've ever watched, and then he's remaking it. And it's a bit better now. He's got more dough. He's fucking puts a bit more effort in. He's shortened it. Gets to the point a little bit more. And you don't have to learn multiple things in each video, which I enjoy. Is that more followers? Fucking 2 more followers, bruh. It's actually doing my head in the amount of notifications I'm missing shit. And then, like, my little Asian thing, I keep forgetting to message you. Because my fucking notifications are wild. Got like 1,000 comments today. And like 400 follows. And I'm on bare stories and it just won't stop. So, man, the price of fame sometimes is too much. Sometimes too much. Oh, we might be coming back to tap in that 88 entry. I'm not really liking the price movement. I won't lie to you. It's not filling me with warmth. I'm not sat here like the most confident, but again, we've done a lot of art today, so what's 1 hour? Because I'm on stream and it's the first one on this channel, on my little live channel, and I think I'm cool. And I want this to do way better. Got 3 subscribers now. Come on. If we can get that to like 30 or 40. Good morning. Big up Sam as well. Come on, lads. Perfect time for you to be trading. What do you think, Sam? Are you thinking shorts? Are you thinking longs? Because you are actually... I'm sat here before saying I'm the best analyst. No one analyses gold better than me. Sam actually might be the best gold trader I've ever seen. Trades by who? I'll type it in the chat. Trades by Sai. He's sick. He's a bit embarrassing in some of his stories and stuff on Instagram in the club. Like getting all the bottles popping, but he definitely works alongside brokers. I'm not gonna hate on that. I do the same thing. But like I give everything for free. Like he's definitely making loads and loads of money from broker sign-ups. And is he really trading an account that big? Like I've met a lot of people in the space. I know the ins and outs of quite a lot of things. And just seeing some of the stuff that he posts and he's like, 4.5 million trade. I mean 30 million this week, this month, whatever. It's just a bit like, Yeah, it's probably a marketing account. I just don't. I've heard that you can only really get like 2 to 3 million in a live account with most brokers until you get an institutional sized account, and then it's all different. And like if you want a hedge fund and shit like that, then all right, yeah, you are gonna do that. But I just don't. I don't believe him. I really don't. I'm a skeptical. But Sam, comment your bias, man. Comment your entry. Everyone in here needs to copy you. Fuck watching me. Join my group and pay to join my group just so you can be somewhere that Sam is posting these good trades. Our people were crying that he was leaving the previous group to come to this one because they know he's the best, man. He's a selling point. And then Pedro, if you're still watching, we'd really like you to merge and start sending all these crypto trades in and just be joint owner of it all, man. I want you. Asking you in public. Please, come to me. Streaming for an hour. I don't even want to stop. It's actually quite fun today. That logo can go away now, though. Should make me a bit bigger for a bit. What up? See that poster there? That's from me not being a genius. Ooh. But yeah, the sale's working. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope it keeps dropping. Because I wish I could start doing these streams at actual good times, like New York session and that. But I am going to start jumping in the live trade room every single day. New York Open, not London Open. I always say I will, but I'm just fucking lazy or tired or just got a ganj over from previous days. Oh, your 88 is tapped. And I don't think she's stopping. Eee. God, that was far away, wasn't it? So 88 is just tapped. I hope you got in. Oh, now it's going to fucking drop with a big passion. I wouldn't want it to do it in this hour. I wanted it to... It's fine, though. It's fine. We're still in. Stop loss is still intact. But look how much more R we could have got. Just waiting. I hope you got in, man. I hope you waited and didn't cancel it. Or did he say he was cancelling? Nah, 53.38. Oh, that might have not activated with spreads. Yeah, he's in. Power. Good to see it, man. That's dropping fast as well. But yeah, as I was saying, how much better your risk to reward could have been. Yeah. But I just wanted to get in early. I don't like missing. Makes me crash out and do dumb shit. But yeah, 70 pips stop loss you could have had. Already done a 1 to 2, and it's been active, what? Fucking 3 minutes? 2 minutes! Less than 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes. And you've already done a 1 to 2 if you waited for the 88 fib. But, you know what I mean? I'm not a perfectionist. I wanted to get in on stream. Oh, my stop loss could have been so much more. I could have got in 50 pips higher. 40 pips higher. Fuming. Who cares? People in my group are getting better entries than me. That's why it's a place to be, a place to join. Link is in the description of this video. Also in the description on my page. $99. Do you know what? I might even do a discount. Tomorrow's stream, I'm going to do a discount for the whole stream. 50% off everything. We'll be chatting more about the coaching package. But yeah, I actually want to, I'm going to make you all good traders. As you can see, the analysis is T. Now are we going to continue and undo some of this move? That's the big question. I'm going to watch it on the 1 hour so I don't get stressed. I don't need this level on there right now. I don't really care for buys for a while. And I also don't really need the fib on. Should we TP at the 78? You're not a good trader, you're just lucky you. Yeah. I mean, your name's Mark with a C, lads. Do you know what I mean? So you can take out all your little deep-seated internal hatred on me if you want. But you know I'm up top boss, top G, master, OG, master cush trader. So just chill out, man. Maybe put a K in your name. Marshole. Everyone just. I want Michael back. I wish Michael had come back. I know who it is, lads. Obviously, it's you. Your little Mark and your little C. What's that about? It's not even your full name. Why are you scared of using your full name? Scouse power. I'm not a sex liar. I don't lie about sex. But yeah, mad. Is right for joining. It's weird. Just like sat watching the chat, and I've got the video. Look at this as well. I got the video frozen, and I look proper spasticated. See my face here. Proper spasticated. Like, I feel like that's probably what I look like most of the time on stream. Oh, he's back in the game. Come on, lads. It's gonna lose if you're fucking in it. Please tell me your risk is low. How have you bought an account and started trading now and you missed the fucking cleanest price action ever today? It was so clean. So many good levels. So many buys. That's wound me up, that has. Yeah, I'm fucking taking it out live on stream. First stream. Starting off well. I have to stay up all night now till we get a dub. Oh, yeah. Have you closed then, have you? Yeah. Or you're not in? Or are you just going to scale in like a fucking bad man? What, you going to wait for this 600 area? You're not going to still be awake. You're going to be asleep by the time it gets up there. You got to be up early in the morning, you. That's my mission this year. I want to bring 3 people out of working jobs. Even if they just like, or they just don't have to work a shit one in it and they can just get a nice one that they enjoy. Or just start something. Or give people jobs. But that's what I'd like the funnel to be for having a group. Like, actually get to the point where I'm just sat at the top and we're training bare people to make dough and we just got an army of fucking rich dickheads. 0.6%. Yeah, but look at it. You start at 0.6% and then you're going to be like, oh, I could get back in, you know. Oh, it's definitely going to drop. I'll get another one on. Oh, I'm Manny at 9. That's nice, bro. Little lion tomorrow. You're going to be one of them, lads. I love that. Yeah, you are going to be one of them. 100%. Like, you always got to keep doing something. I'm next for you, lad. How's the van? Is it still sounding mad? Like a Ferrari? The full ports work, bro. Never give up on the full ports. Look at it. Never give up on the full ports. Just like, don't ruin your life before doing them. Do not ruin your life. I do it all the time, and it's hilarious. Just be like, oh, I've made fucking more dough than I've ever even seen in my life, and then 2 days later, have 0. Just be like, just my money's not even real anyway. Who cares? Who cares about money? It is not real. It's not real. Spend it all. It'll come back. I literally always spend the last bit of dough and then do something, and just do something amazing. Apart from when I was in Vietnam, I didn't do it then. That's the best stream I ever done. It was like 11 hours long. I went from 6k live account to like, and this was after loads of heavy losses, and it was literally like, oh, my last 6k, right, be sound, I can live here for ages. And then Started trading. Took a few losses. Took it down to like £450, something like that, $450. And then, yeah, traded live. Got it up. I was going to close at 5k. Got to like 4.2, 4.3. And then I was just watching it live streaming, and I was like, I gotta fucking leave. So I left the stream open on the laptop plugged in, and I just went to the bar to chat to some honeys and get pissed. So I was like, if it's some fucking work, I'm going home. I booked a flight home for like 200 quid. It's proper cheap. Bear through China. Took like 40 odd hours. It was long. And then, yeah, it just started going down, and I got fucking stopped out with break even. It's like 200. Got in at like 4.533. Oh, you're up fucking $10. Did you get in? Hang on, if you've already done $15, why have you not taken any prof? Waiting on a break of structure. Right, so yeah, what we want to see. The problem is, for me, it's still posting a little uptrend. Makes me want to get out break even. I'll be honest to you guys. But you've got in 50 pips higher up than me. If I'd got in at 53, I'm going to hold it anyway. I'm not gay, am I? But nah, I'm confident. Ish. Just building up some sells. We've had some sweeps of liquidity. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. What is profit? I don't know, man. Actually, I do. Join the Flip channel and fucking find out. Look at that little parallel channel. Yeah, I'm really not liking this. And realistically, if you'd entered off the 88 at 53, you should already have done like a fucking... There's one time where tight stop losses actually would have been alright. 53. Yeah, you could have done a fucking 1 to 4, 1 to 5. 30 stop loss, 1 to 5, done. Yeah, I've only gone low risk because of the time. And Asia session does like it, but it's a bit early. It's more like that Sydney session right now, isn't it? Like Asia session fully opens at 1 a.m, 2 a.m. He's not ass, right? But he's going full caps. Fucking not ass me, lad. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a single fucking shit. I wish I could just get paid to do this all day. It'd be fucking mega. Oh, this is smoking stop losses though. Sure, we're going to enter more trades. See trader. Leave the flip account, can't be ruining that. That's a proper woman thing to say, that. Mark with a C, lad. You're dead tired in the morning. Just get on these fuels, lad. Have I got one up here? Nah, I actually tidied up today. Good lad. Yeah, them fuel fucking multivitamin energy drinks, lads. It's like fucking rocket fuel. I'm literally the most unhealthy cunt ever. Just mash a few of them after like 3 hours sleep and I'm back in the game. And you're on the $6, lads. How can you ever sleep? Just get a couple in and just run round. As soon as if this hits stop loss, I am fucking it off though. If we stay in profit, I could stream all night. Hey Marcus, if you've not subscribed either, I'm gonna kick you if I ever see you. I'm gonna come down that shop with the stupid fucking ramp that nearly raped the car. And I'm gonna kick you. Haha, I got liked as well. Big up. I was going to fucking, like, while trades were on, I was trying to think of, like, setting my screen up so I can just scroll, either do some gambling just in the top corner, or, I don't know, what's better than gambling? Literally nothing. What else could I do? I was going to scroll through Twitter, but half my Twitter is fucking, like, naked birds, and I don't want to get banned. I don't really want that to change either. Like, I quite enjoy that fact. Oh, I got a like off the biggest, scariest heifer. It was definitely a dude on Tinder. And you know what I mean? I was buzzing with it because I was like, oh yeah, I got a like. Fucking come on. And it was literally the scariest cunt ever. I had to delete the photo of it, but I know I sent it to FX Mark with a C. What the followers on now? 1,050 yet? Nah, no more followers. That's gay. The views are being a bit gay as well, you know. Oh. Sharing all my sensitive data. Can't have been that long ago. Nah. Yeah, here it is. Right, let me make this bigger. Look at the state of this fucking thing. Look at the state of that. It's clearly a dude. Turn the brightness down, I'll make it better. State of that. Clearly a fucking dude. One of the scariest faces I've ever seen. Morning, love. I'll suck you dry. You're mad. That's definitely a dude, isn't it? Get away from me, telling me you're a 33-year-old woman. Looks like one of them fucking heads. Like them, I don't know, them big stone heads and that. Whoa, I'm big again now there, aren't I? Get that way. Trying to figure out the size. Maybe I should go circle, you know. I actually do think I'd like it a circle. I got no idea how I'd do that. I'll have to ask Pedrini. Oh, come on, we're dropping now. Big Marcus, $10 profit. I want you passing this account and getting fat payouts. We're all retiring this year. Like, when the group blows up, it's going to be work for everyone. All you OG guys that actually have been active from the start and kept me doing what I need to be doing. I'm actually semi-grateful for it, even though some of you are Mongols. Actually, none of you watching this, to be fair. But, yeah, so obviously we're selling cells, and the cells be selling. And yes, we should have entered off the 88, I know. You don't have to keep reminding me. I'm upset that I didn't do it and didn't wait and I was impatient. But boom, 39. What we want is we want an hourly close below this fucking level. But it's going to be a strong one. I would be gay now and go break even. Obviously not going to move the... Yeah, I'd go break even now. Stop loss just below the high as well. Nah, I'm probably not going to hold. If you'd have made it on fucking time for the stream at the start, you'd have heard where my profit area was. So come on, man. I'm joking. I'm not really. But yeah, this grey level here, I can't remember why I drew it. Oh yeah, that close. So if I was being a bit more scared, 1 to 3 there. Your entry's even better from there as well. So it'll be a 1 to 2.5 from my entry. That's why I want to hold maybe to this level. But I was pretty bearish today, so I think I'm just letting my bias take over. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there, this zone. I'm not going to buy from there. Here's what it is. I will go break even when we break. He is right on this break of structure, but I don't know what we need to break. On the 1 min, we've broke a little bit of structure. He's already break even. Look at you say that, and then price just fucking... Just like that pussy magnet. Yeah, to be fair, so do I. What day are we on tomorrow? Wednesday. Oh, footy day is right. Enjoy it anyway, Sleeping Beauty. Go and fucking have your rest. Don't be late. Don't get burnt in Manchester. You're 100 pips up. Have you closed? Because it's fucking shooting. Just every time I go sleep break even, I get break even. Oh, fucking gay slippage. Yeah, man, it's definitely best to be safe. I'm going to sit here and take on 100 pips. Is right. Well done. How big was your stop loss? But even just getting a 1-to-1, making a quick little return at this time before bed, and then you can wake up tomorrow and not have to force a trade because you can have that winner and it feels like it's a day's, and you just nice and relaxed. Glad some people could have got 100 pips. I'm going to be holding because I like to prove that I can call big swings on golds. This camera position is awesome because I can still just fucking dash my hand down my pants and no one can see. Oh. Yeah, if we break this here... I'm bored of this level now, I can fuck off. If we break this level here, that's the important one. These wicks. If we break that... 1 to 2, 50 stop loss. Got 1 to 3, but was being greedy. What, so you just didn't have your take profit set? Fuck it, man. He's not being greedy. It's a good return. Good little win. Yeah, keep at it. Keep going. If you want to put it in your members' results section in the group, wouldn't hate that. Fucking, I'll be a bit annoyed if your guys 88 smokes out and me just trying to do the bigger zone because I'm on stream. Just to try and force a trade if that doesn't do any further drop. Yeah, enjoy it, man. Catch you in the morning-ish. I'll try and be up early. I started sleeping on the bed in the office now just to fucking... So I'm up earlier. But enjoy it. Is it right for watching? Well done for catching some prof. I'll just keep listening to that Afro Man song. He's all over my feed at the minute after mashing them police officers up. Boyakasha. Get back on the higher time frame. It just looks way neater, doesn't it? Looks like we're not getting stopped out. Don't really care for that level anymore. At that level. Just sit and wait. It is trying, isn't it? It is trying. It is trying. I'm just afraid it's doing this again. And from here, or here, Just gonna spiral and fucking shoot off. Da, 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 da. 21 views. That's mad. Average views 13 minutes. That's pretty good. 6 viewers at once at a point. No viewers a good few times. But yeah, man. I want to bring you with me to go down. Get a swig and all that. Looking top fans. Weird that, innit? You ain't got new fans, bruv. Right, I think we're gonna call it I wanna call it a day. I'm bored now. But the trade is just moving nicely in my favour. So do I just leave the stream on, fuck my face off it, see what watch time we can get? Yeah, I think we're going to call it a day. Be interested to see what happens with goals. Start doing some longer streams from now on. First one in the bag. Let's see if we can get TP around 516 area, 517. 516. Alright, over and out. Still watching though. Get in the links in the description. The WAP to join the Discord. $99. Gonna have some one-to-one mentorships getting on there soon. Got a Telegram. I'm sure that's linked somewhere. Doing a flip channel. I've already done 1k to 10k. See, gonna take 5k out. Try to do 5k to 25. Take 10 out. Do 15 to 45. Something like that. And yeah, just show people the art of a flip. The art of the flip. The art of the flip. I don't know how to end. I do. And also enjoy. Just realised I can't speak while that's on, but yeah, enjoy it. Thanks for coming. Trade looks like it's going to be a break-even one anyway, so I'm glad the lads closed out. Trading at this time is dodgier. Areas don't get respected as cleanly. Yeah, this is pushing. See you later. Pushing. Next area of sells, probably over here somewhere. But I'll be back tomorrow, same time, maybe even a bit earlier, 10 PM. And yeah, stream City. Hope you learned a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back tomorrow.